Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B9144P. Only 15,000 miles on this 200. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The 200 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the midsize car class, seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges. Again, only 15,000 miles. The driver information system, along with customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. Compass. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9144P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.